And, hold on. I have no idea why that bothers me, but it does. Hey everybody, and welcome back to Live Between Paychecks Kitchen. This is Jackie and Letty are still down in Lake Jackson. We're doing a separate thing because who knows when this COVID thing's going to stop again. So, a lot of interest went into our last Jello thing, which was super simple. And when I asked a lot of people about sparkling Jello, very few people knew what the hell I was talking about. So, this is what we're doing, man. I'm going to get into this. It's going to be super simple, super short. It's really neat, though. It's really fun. So, if you like Jello, but you want to try something a little different, here you go. Be sure to like, share, follow, do all the YouTube-y stuff, and our link for our merch is down in the thing. But let's just do the thing. This is going to be longer than the video. Like, I'm tired of the intro. Alright, the three ingredients, man. You're going to need one of these little 3-ounce things of gelatin for a single serving. You're going to want some regular water, just 3/4 of a cup, and then at least 1 cup of sparkling water. You could use club soda. You don't have to get the flavored stuff, but we did. And ours is caffeinated, so I didn't know that until I got home. You're going to start with 3/4 of a cup of just regular water. Put that into a decent bowl or a pot or something that you can cook with, and turn it up to let it boil. Don't turn it all the way up. You're also going to need something to put it in, unless you want to just do it in the pot, but then it's going to set and you're going to have to get out of the pot. So I'm using this little metal pot thing. You can use Tupperware, something with a lid, whatever. It doesn't have to have a lid, just something to put in there. Once it brings to a slight boil, doesn't have to be a big rolling boil. It's only 3/4 of a cup of water, for crying out loud. Go ahead and put all your gelatin into whatever you're mixing it in. I just went ahead and put my dries in there. And then take that hot water and put it right on top. Now be bad careful. It's hot. That's the only thing that would tell me not to let kids do this is this boiling water is hot. That ring underneath my stove is hot. This pot is starting to get hot on my hand. Okay, so turn a little bit, get you a spoon or something, give it a nice stir. You're going to stir it for 2 minutes, and when you're done with that, you want to put it in the fridge for 15 minutes. Set a timer on your phone. It's important to set it. Put it in the fridge 15 minutes after it dissolves. So just give it a nice stir. You'll be able to see the powder at the bottom. It'll start to dissolve. The hotter the water, the better it gets, or the faster it goes. So just give it a nice stir. Just keep stirring it until you don't see any of the bottom of it. Then fridge it 15 minutes. Right? Don't forget the refrigerator part of this is going to get horrible. So do that. Yeah, and you can see it kind of sticks to the spoon. It's nice. Be sure to lick the spoon always. So after 15 minutes, you can see that it's cooled off. Now get your sparkling water, club soda, whatever you're going to use. I use the sparkling water that's flavored and caffeinated because I like special stuff. You're going to give this to kids, don't use the caffeinated stuff unless you want to bounce it off the walls. I'm an uncle, so I can do that kind of stuff. Get 1 cup of whatever sparkling water you're going to use and put it right in the middle of it. Now, you don't have to stir it. It doesn't have to be directly in the middle of it. And then put it in there in your fridge until it solidifies. Mine, it did this in about 3 hours. Like Jello's pretty quick, and I'd say pretty quick. It's Jello. It's 3 freaking hours. Now, I did this again also in my Tupperware with another thing with our lime stuff. But, yeah, turned out pretty well. It's pretty solid. Like I said, these are smaller batches because they're just for me, but you can just take it, spoon these out. Now, the green one didn't hold together as well because it had to fall a lot further because there was a really deep dish that I cooked it in, or made it in. So that's a different thing. But this it cost like 50 cents or something for the Jello mix. And then the canned water, I bought like a 6-pack and it cost me like $4. So it's well below our stuff. It's Jello. It's super simple. It's fun. Now, this is going to be carbonated. So it's going to tingle on your tongue. It's going to be weird. It's like drinking carbonated water, but it's flavored and sweet. So it's going to be like regular sparkling water, except it doesn't taste like butt. So you're going to like this. Try this out. Please, 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 because everybody just keeps looking at me funny when I say sparkling Jello. And there you have it, folks. Sparkling Jello, man. It's different. It'll tingle in your mouth. It's slightly carbonated, and this one's going to be caffeinated, so this is special. Like, you do it differently. You want to see us do it differently, put it down in the comments, man. That's what they're there for. Or you can also find us on social media. You can find us at Facebook, Pinterest, Patreon. You can find us all those at Live Between Paychecks Kitchen. You can also find us on Instagram at Live in Between. And I'll see y'all next time, man. I'm going to go sit and wait for Jello. It takes a while. But I did this part first.